Hey, my adorable quizzers! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's battle will be absolutely wild. It's zombie versus wicked would you rather version. Hit like if you're leaning toward the zombie side, subscribe if wicked already owns your heart, and comment your picks in every quiz as we go. Okay now, take a deep breath, trust your instincts, and let the showdown begin. Which one is the most adorable duo in your opinion? Victor and Nova as a lovely Nightwalkers and Daywalkers couple, or pure Oz romance energy like Fiyero and Glinda?
The bells all chime when you snow angel.
If you lost your memory, which movie would you rather watch first? Wicked for Good or Zombies 4, Dawn of the Vampires?
For the better, because
If you wanna go, it's going down.
Which song would you save in your heart forever in your opinion? A joyful, carefree song like Dancing Through Life, or a dreamy, magical love moment like Dream Come True?
You'll be happy to be.
never met someone like you.
Which friend would you rather have by your side? A loyal zombie bestie like Zed, or a powerful, kind, and misunderstood witch like Elphaba?
When you can't see the light, you gotta be the light. And on this pitch dark night.
And so it will be for the rest of my life. And I'll want nothing.
Which dream house feels more iconic to you in your opinion? A sparkling pink palace like Glinda's dream house, or a bold, mysterious modern mansion like Nova's dream house? Spot the three differences within these two images. Incredible! You found them all! Which song carries stronger confidence energy in your opinion? A fierce, full of attitude anthem like Don't Mess With Us, or a bubbly, iconic pop moment that owns every room like Popular?
Hey, step right up. If you wanna go, it's
Very sweet to be. Very, very popular.
Who would you rather date in your opinion? A dramatic, charming ruler full of secrets like the Wizard, or a loyal, brave heart who fights for love like Bucky?
I think everyone deserves the chance to.
Which pet would you rather have in your opinion? An adorable, loyal puppy following you everywhere, or a brave, legendary, cowardly lion guarding your side? Which side would you delete if you absolutely had to? Erase the entire magical world of all Wicked movies, or wipe out all Zombies movies? This one hurts either way, so which universe are you brave enough to sacrifice? Which side are you on between Willa and Elphaba? A fearless wolf leader or a courageous misunderstood witch?
All you want, we know what you've done. You're not welcome out here. Who's won some, she wins it.
Which song feels more like a perfect day escape in your opinion? One Short Day, or Like the Zombies Do?
The sage who sagely sailed into sea.
All you got to do is give an inch, then we gon' take it to.
Which dream house would you rather live in your opinion? A futuristic zombie style like Zed's dream house? Or a romantic Oz mansion like Fiero's one? Which couple gives you stronger emotional pull in your opinion? A tragic, complicated bond shaped by spells like Bach and Nessaros, or a fearless modern love that survives every battle like Zed and Addison?
They laugh, we'll say, we're gonna be someday.
Guys, would you rather have a witch destroy your house, or just easily comment your love for the Wicked movie below? This isn't really tough to pick, right? Which world would you rather experience live on stage? A legendary Broadway-born magic universe through the Wicked musical? Or a massive crossover concert like the Worlds Collide tour?
You'll hang with the right cohorts, you'll be good at sports.
Pick one kick one time, and it's wonderful versus Like the Zombies Do?
It feels wonderful. They think I'm.
Which song would you rather choose? Go with Alien Invasion or Dancing on the Beat of Dancing Through Life? Which one are you picking? Drop your choice below and let's see where your music taste lands. Which power item would you rather own in your opinion? A glittering wand like Glinda's or a Z-band like all the other zombies? Time to rate the couple, Elphaba Fiero edition. Lock in your choice and drop it in the comments. And if you picked lovely or cute, you've got true Wicked romance radar. Which side would you rather choose in your opinion? An uncontrollable werewolf or become the Wicked Witch of the West? Which makeover vibe feels more iconic to you? A bold, artistic statement, look inspired by Cynthia Erivo, or a bright, confident, modern glow like Addison? Which school would you rather attend? Shiz University or a modern one like Seabrook High School? Which character between these two would you rather spend time with? A wise, gentle professor guiding you through knowledge like Dr. Dillamond, or energetic Zoe cheerleader? Which relationship fantasy feels lovely to you? To have Nova as your girlfriend, or have a classic heroic love story beside Dorothy as her boyfriend? All right, that was brutal, but you made it through. Thanks for playing with us as always. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe for more Would You Rather challenges, and comment which song you saved and why. Keep yourself wonderful, and we'll see you in the next quiz. Quiz Slice out!